Shawn Clarke here at Firkins Automotive, 2700 1st Street in Bradenton. Just took in this 2017 Chevy Colorado. It's a Z71. It's all black. Have a little aftermarket light bar there. 17-inch black rims. Off-road tire package. It's very clean, one owner, clean Carfax, super clean interior. This hasn't even made its way to detail yet. Big screen, backup camera, power everything. A little over 39,000 miles on this. Bose sound system. Extra storage back here. WeatherTech style mats. Tonneau cover. Tow package. Spray and bed liner. If you're interested in this truck, please call me, Shawn Clarke, here at Firkins.